In this video we are going to do a screen replacement for this phone. This one is by Xiaomi. It mark Poco phone. So I believe that this one is F1, but however we are going to get down to business, and first thing we are going to do is to remove the SIM tray. So remove the SIM tray. We have two screws that we need to remove. So make sure you remove these screws first. And I'm going to take the back off. I realize that this is like a clip-on back, so I'm going to be using my finger. You can use a plastic tool and take it off. When I use my finger, it helped me to be more careful because I know how much pressure to apply. And then you can take the back off. So just careful with the fingerprint scanner. So what we're going to do, we're going to change the screen, and you can see the ribbon for the screen here. So to make life easier, we are going to just take this out. Right, now we need to remove and what do you know, there's actually a hidden screw. See, at this pink area there's a hidden screw here. So I hope that this video comes in helpful to you. And we're going to remove the fingerprint sensor. So that should help us. So now I am going to remove the screen. Well, the screen is not good, but we're going to remove it. Still a bit tight. So what we need to do here is to get the ribbon through the hole. This is the ribbon for the screen. It looked like it was this one. It looked like it was this ribbon, but it's not. And I did not take a look at the screen as yet. I have the screen here, the brand new screen, in which we are going to we have some nice screwdrivers here, but yeah, I'm looking at the ribbon now and I realize that it's under the battery. Wow. So what we need to do, we need to remove the battery. Yeah, we need to remove the battery in order for us to actually access the cable. Okay, so there's plastic here, and this plastic is to actually pull. Oh my, as you can see, I was pulling but the plastic got away. So that was easy. It was. So I actually get the battery out, and you can see the ribbon for the screen here. So this is what we're going to remove. You can see it's behind of the plastic here, so we need to just move the plastic away. Remove this. Yeah. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to clean around the edges, because it's very important when you are installing a new screen. Clean around the edges. Yeah, clean around the edges. So guys, it is raining on the outside. What we're going to do, we're going to stick the screen. So yeah, we are looking great. So what I am going to do, I am going to take a look at the screen, and I need to stick the screen actually. So I need to stick the screen. I like to test the screen before I stick, but actually I am in a hurry. So just to look at it, I am going to put some adhesive glue on the inside as well. The reason for this is that in the future you don't want the screen to drop out, especially if it is exposed. If it is exposed to any heat, it can heat up the adhesive and cause it to get loose. So I put a bit of adhesive on the inside as well, and you remove this tape, and we have this to remove as well. So let me remove that one, and time to stick the screen. So we slip this through here, and then we stick the screen. Yeah, so that's about it. I think the electricity just went. Yeah, so guys, that's how we stick the screen. And let me just cover back my adhesive. So all we have to do is to just connect the ribbon for the screen there, and this is what we're going to do. We are going to connect, and it is connected. We are going to put back in the battery in place. We are going to connect this ribbon here. Then we are going to connect the battery. Then we are going to connect the fingerprint scanner. So the way we're going to connect this is this way. Fingerprint scanner is connected. Then for the back cover, fingerprint scanner is connected. Then for the back cover, we are going to put back in all the screws. Then what I am going to do, I am going to put back this in here. So you stick this in there, you stick that in there, and then we're going to close back the phone. And I'm going to put back in the SIM tray. So guys, we didn't test this screen. Normally I do test the screen to make sure. I do have a lot of work doing, so I'm sort of hustling. But if this screen is not good, wow, what a day that will be. But everything should be good. And okay, this is a type C. Let me just plug this in and let's see. Moment of truth. So guys, what we need to do is to put back in the 2 screws here. But now what I am going to do, I'm going to test to see if the screen is working. And I'm seeing that charge is going. I'm seeing that charge is going to the phone, right? And it's charging. So yeah, for this video guys, do share, like and subscribe. I'm also seeing a light blinking there, so I guess that's the charge light.